I advise you to watch her videos.
Oh, Julia? Is that even a squat? No, is that even a squat? Better, man.
Say it.
And it feels like I'm giving you so much shit, right? That's a bullshit. He said. Don't trust her. Don't trust her, girl.
Guys, how are you?
I'm fine.
Really scary. Let's go to have fun.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights. Doing what we want to. Doing what we need to do. Staying up all night. Everything is alright.
My beautiful, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, beginning of new year, new experience, new everything. Just wanted to share with you first. Very easy to get distracted by parties, out. When your friends come and you want to be with them, you want to spend time to enjoy. In Dubai it's much often than in different countries. For example, if you live outside of Dubai, you just take in your vacation month per year and just go and traveling for a week, for months, and you enjoy your life, doing your vacation, you're going back to schedule, 6 days per week, 7 days per week, you're just dedicated person, you're doing everything perfect, everything the best, and later you again, after 1 year, you tired, you decided, and you're going for vacation, right? Every day, everywhere, party, enjoyment, just easy to disappear in this party life, you know? So what to do actually when you get too much distracted? What makes me feel in control? This is my schedule. I'm gonna take 5 minutes daily, but I will check that I've done everything what I need to do today. Make sure that Dubai life will never make me distracted to reach my goals, and I want to reach them all and in very short time. Good life, what brings good life? Money, what brings money? Work, you need to give effort, too much effort to your work. If you want to be happy in all and other stuff, you want to be concentrated or you want to get lost. If you enjoy your work, it means you don't work any day of your life. Have fun like I do with my girls, and I love my life. Let's go more. Let's go have fun more, yeah? Today, I'm gonna introduce you.
Nico here. So,
Nico.
what we're gonna be doing today?
What we're gonna do today? Today you're my coach, and today you will show me something interesting.
Yeah,
you will
so
teach
guys,
me something.
we're gonna take a look at our squat, deadlift, and lunges. Mainly.
Wow.
Yeah? You ready for
This
that?
is huge
Yeah,
one.
She's ready, she's ready. She doesn't look ready, but she's ready.
I need to get ginger pre-workout shot, yeah?
You got
For sure.
coffee?
Is
You ordered
it-
coffee already?
Coffee, of course.
It's coming. Coffee's
yeah.
coming.
Is there any ginger shot? What do you use as a pre-workout? Tell me.
I have it upstairs, I'll show you in a bit. C4? But
C4?
it doesn't work with me anymore, guys. So go-to option for me now is Caffeine Pills. We covered the brand.
Stop, I didn't play it. I'm joking.
We covered the brand because they're not sponsoring me yet, but I can guess from the label you can...
My protein?
Yeah, don't say that. I haven't got anything.
I just got from the labor, by the way. I didn't check your...
Whatever, any caffeine pills is fine, you know. I'll take a 200 milligram pre-workout, it works wonder.
Wait. This is Nika.
Yeah. Am I Nico?
Yeah. Introduce yourself, please, first to my girls.
Hello guys, I'm Nico, PT here in Dubai. Currently working, as you can see from the t-shirt, Studio Republic. I'm based here. Been working here for more than a year, I'll say. And yeah, I had the chance to meet this wonderful lady here next to me, Julia. She does great, but she can make it even better. Okay, so let's work on the squat, deadlift,
New experience for me.
I've done 3 years modeling in Asia. I want to start empowering people, training people.
I like your mask. It's like modeling.
Let's go. Yeah.
I don't know.
First, squat technique 101. So, I want to see the way she squats. I want to see how well she get into the bottom position. I want to see if she squat as the grass. You know.
Let's go.
Is that even a squat? Is that a squat? Is that a squat? Is that a squat? That's a full squat.
Again, Indian torture. Oh.
So guys, the first thing that I want to see how comfortable she can get at the bottom position. So now you see the hip crease, so the hips pretty much the same level of the knees, which is good, okay? Now there is no, see what happened as soon as she goes lower, there is flexion on the lower back.
I have broken my back.
Yeah, broken her back. As long as the back is broken, not the brain, it's fine. So she can keep a neutral spine, okay, up until parallel, pretty much. Try to go lower. See what happens? Even lower. Try to go lower. So now she can keep it till there. If she goes super low, then the pelvis start to go into posterior tilt. That's called buckling, you see? This position, this flexion extension of the lower back is not super safe. We want to try to stay away from it. You might have heard is that you shouldn't let the knee travel over the toes in the squat, but that's the most important thing. In order to keep an upright back, keep neutrality to the spine, the knees have to travel. Using the quads, we're doing a better use of the quad. Now try to stay, keep the heel planted to the ground. Make sure you're not lifting the heels. And you see the spine is neutral. That's it. Come back up. So much better, more efficient, okay? Keep the heels there to the ground and up. Now she's way below parallel now, as you can see.
I'm surprised he found where I did mistake in my squatting. So yeah, we're done with first exercise. What is the next?
I want to see the deadlift too.
Deadlift.
Julia's gonna show us how to do.
I don't do deadlift usually.
Like you shouldn't have any back pain when you deadlift, okay? You might have back pain if you're creating too much torque at the spine, and that happens if there's some mistake. Now she went with the other. Okay. So one of the reasons that she might have back pain is because the bar is not close to her enough, okay? The bar is drifting away as she deadlifts. If you take a look, now go again, deadlift again. We are here to learn, so it's fun. Now it's better, okay? Now it's better. Okay. Alternator grip. Take a look from the side. She has her gaze, she's looking up, okay? And now, rest for a second. Reason why I don't recommend the alternator grip is because it has altered, I say different muscle activity. So on the end that is supinated, the face it up, there is more bicep activation as opposed to the other one that is pronated. You're working more on the traps, okay? So just try to avoid that. There are two ways of fixing that problem, okay? Because I know the normal grip, like sooner or later is gonna give up, okay? You can either use a hook grip, and I'll show you what the hook grip is, or you can use straps, okay? Either one or the other. When you go heavy on the deadlift, don't worry about the grip strength. I don't want the grip strength to be a limiting factor for you, okay? So use the straps. What I recommend though is to implement the hook grip, and I'll show you how to do it. Just take a look from behind. I know it's painful as hell, but if you get used to it,
I don't wanna.
if you get use straps then.
I don't wanna do that. It's painful.
It's painful, right?
Yeah.
But she's using it right now. Take a look. So she's hooking it. Well done. One more in the hook grip family. So see what happened at the bar once she passed the knees, okay?
Okay, come on.
It's painful, right?
You don't know what it's mean nails for the girls. I should like just grab my thumb.
In between the index and the middle finger, right?
Yeah. First of all, it's painful. Second, if you girls have nails, you will understand why it's almost impossible to do it.
But your hairs are pretty long. Though.
No, it's very short.
I mean, for training is long.
Today, all video for him. Thank you.
All
Bye
night,
bye.
kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
against us.
We're gonna get our first tattoos, and I couldn't be more scared but excited at the same time.
Yeah, it's mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions for sure. Nikki, how's your first time playing?
Wanna know how to get tattoos? Just contact me. I'm gonna meet you with one guy. He's gonna make for you amazing tattoos. You're gonna remember Dubai forever. It's the only way I hear your voice anymore.
I'm stronger than this.
Okay, before you saw my vlogs about tattoos, so now one more tattoo sessions come and this girl's getting it first time. This kid is
It's about time.
I'm running out of time. Every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby. I don't wanna miss a thing. We can
If you
sleep under
wanna
the
get
stars.
tattoo, live with this idea like at least 1 year.
We can sleep
Get it.
under the stars. We can sleep under the stars. Under the stars. Baby, where we
First tattoo. My another baby getting my tattoo.
The tattoos, thanks to Julia.
What do you think?
Finally, I have my crown tattoo. When you have already a lot of tattoos, you don't think too much. You just make a next one. Oh, we finished. Thank you a lot.
Julia.
I'm really appreciating.
Welcome,
So
welcome.
beautiful. Heart.
Thank you.
Finally came to Global Village. Actually, it was super cold today at Nikki Beach. I'm super freezed now. It's like 11 o'clock in the evening, but I still want to enjoy. I always like to finish what I plan. So even small things, even if I will come for 1 hour, I'm still gonna enjoy my time here in Dubai. Listen, my voice, maybe it's even better sounds than earlier, maybe not so loud. Some of you will come to enjoy different countries to watch culture of this place, of all world actually, but I'm gonna go only scared riding. Are you scared, guys? Crazy. It was super fun. Yeah, 360, 180. Crazy one. The cheat day for me, I will try some Arabic sweets with syrup on the top. Today, perfect. This taste. It's actually.
Ice cream.
Oh my god, it's cold! It's actually cold. Actually heavy. I was thinking it's like. It's actually ice cream. So cold, I literally freeze. I hope you guys enjoy. We had a lot of fun. Okay, my beautiful. Thank you for watching. Put likes if you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube YouTube channel and see you next video. Have fun!
Most of the time in fitness, like I study sports science in UK, in fitness, like there's never a black and white thing, okay? Most of the time, because it's a subject that is constantly renewing, you know, there are studies that are being released each and every year.